Hi guys, AR Malik here. In this video, I am going to show you how to block porn websites on your mobile. This video will help you to blocking pornography websites. First of all, go to mobile screen and open up Google Chrome browser. Tap on three dots in top right corner. Now click on setting option in bottom. Now scroll down. Here you can see there is option of privacy and security. Click here. Now scroll down again and search an option which is use secure DNS. First we are using automatic DNS. You have to simply tap on this secure DNS. Here you can see our DNS is on but we are not using a safe DNS. Click on second option, choose another provider. Here you can add your link or simply tap on this bottom arrow option and select from the given options. There are a list of customized Cloudflare, OpenDNS, Clean Browsing, and Google. We have to select second last, which is Clean Browsing Family Filter. Now, when you go back, you will see that your secure DNS will turn on. Let's go back. Here you can see in use secure DNS is on clean browsing. We are using clean browsing family filter in this video. You have to simply check your mobile and all your websites and make sure are you using your secure DNS or not. Like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.